we will discuss the answer the following. But before that, you should label your activities also. So start from this. This is the activity number 1. This is the activity number 2, because these activities can come in the exam. This is activity 3. This is activity 4. And this is activity 5. And this one is the activity 6. So you should go through these activities also. Now we will start the question answer. That is D part. Answer the following. So first part is, what is photosynthesis? What are the factors that affect this process? You have to write the questions first and then the answers. Photosynthesis, it is the process by which green plants make food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. And you have to write the formula also. Carbon dioxide, water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, and product of glucose and oxygen along with water also. Factors that affect the photosynthesis are light, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and the water. Second question is, how do guard cells open and close a stoma? So stoma is single for the stomata. Stomata are small opening in leaves, and green stems gases are exchanged between the plants and the atmosphere. Through these openings, each stomata is surrounded by 2 bean-shaped guard cells. The 2 guard cells bulge outwards as they get swollen with water. These opening the stomatal pore, allowing for the exchange of gases. When the guard cells lose water, they shrink and close the opening. Third question is, distinguish between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So you have to write the table 3.1, this one. You have to note down these points. Aerobic and anaerobic, you have to differentiate it. Now student, explain in brief, why should we add more plants to our surrounding? So you have to write the answer. All organisms need food to meet their requirements of energy. Most other organisms depend on green plants directly or indirectly for food. For example, deer depend on plant because it eat grass, but lion do not eat grass, but it depends on deer for the food. So indirectly lion is also depend on grass or plants. Second question is, describe the structure of a chloroplast with a suitable diagram. So first of all, we will discuss the structure of the chloroplast. Chloroplasts are plastids that have chlorophyll and are vital for the manufacture of food. Vital means necessary. Each chloroplast consists of 2 parts. The grana means the piles of flattened sac-like bodies called thylakoids, and thylakoids consist of chlorophyll. And the second part, the stoma, a liquid matrix. So student, you have to draw diagram 3.1 or the figure 3.1. This diagram you have to draw, because this structure includes the structure of the chloroplast. Third is, describe the structure of a stoma with diagram. So for stoma, you have to draw this diagram. This diagram, B part, you have to draw and you have to label it. And written part is, leaves have minute openings called stomata, plural, or stoma, singular. Stoma help in exchange of gases between the atmosphere and the plant. A stoma consists of 2 bean-shaped guard cells. Stoma usually open during the day and close at night. And you have to draw figure 3.2 B part, which I already told you. Now fourth question is, describe an experiment to prove that starch is formed in leaves during photosynthesis. So student, on page number 40, we have to write starch is formed in leaves during photosynthesis. Here heading is starch is the end product, but you can write starch is formed in leaves during the photosynthesis, as you have already seen the activities also. So you have to do the activity number 3. Next, fifth question, how would you prove that oxygen is formed during photosynthesis? So you have to write activity 2, oxygen is formed during photosynthesis. Next, what is the significance of photosynthesis? Significance means how they are useful. So significance of photosynthesis are, first, it is the process by which plants make food. Second, plants give oxygen by the process of photosynthesis, because oxygen is the end product in the process of photosynthesis. Third, photosynthesis helps to maintain the level of carbon dioxide in air. Then seventh question is, how would you prove that light is essential for photosynthesis? For this we have to do activity number 4. Light is essential for photosynthesis, so you have to start from here. Next, 8th, place a variated garden croton. Variated means, or variated leaves means the leaves which have patches of different color. Variated plant or garden croton have leaves patches which consist of red, yellow patches on their leaves. Test one of the leaves with iodine solution. Explain what happened. The leaves will turn blue-black, which indicate presence of starch. Means only the green part is changes into blue-black. So student, you have to write the observation. Only the green patches of the leaves will turn blue-black, which indicates presence of starch. Starch means stored plant food in green part. Because variated plant has different patches, only the green part turn into the blue-black. And the last question is, compare how photosynthesis and respiration occur in plants. So you have to write these differences. You can write only 5 differences. Page number 43, table 3.2, any 5 points you have to write. You have to write down in copy and draw the diagrams neatly. If you want to fill with colors, you can use colors also in the diagrams, and you have to learn them.